Alright friends, in Python programming, if you want to sort the elements in a list, you can use the sort method. So, you can sort from smallest to largest. What does it mean? We sort it using ascending order. Also, we can sort from largest to smallest. What does it mean? It's descending order. Now in this session, we will see sorting from smallest to largest. It means ascending order. So, I have numbers. I defined a variable. Here is my list. If I want to sort it from smallest to largest, what I need to do? I just come here. What's my variable name? Numbers. And then I use sort method. Here, the sort method sorts the list and doesn't return a new list. Here, my list change. So, after my list updated, what I need to do? I need to print it. Inside the print function, I just give numbers. So, I run it. So, I run 71. So, you see, it starts from the smallest value. It starts with 10 and then 15, 25, 35, 50 and 55. We can also sort strings alphabetically. So here I just copy and paste. I have my list. What's my list name? Fruits. Inside my list I have elements. If I want to sort it alphabetically, what I need to do? I need to use sort method as well. So here fruits.sort, and if I want to print fruits, what will appear on the screen? I run it. You see these elements change their place because in alphabet A comes before B. So for this reason, it starts with apple and then banana. The other element didn't change because alphabetically C comes before D. So they didn't change. You see, we can sort numbers, we can sort strings, we can do anything that we want. The important thing here, the sort method modifies the original list and returns none. We update original list. Okay, super. In the next lesson, we will learn how to sort from largest value to smallest value. See you in the next lesson.